Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a date in Notion. So, first thing you're going to do is open up Notion, make sure you're clicked inside a page, and you can see the prompt where it says write something or press space for AI /4 commands. We're going to hit the / button on our keyboard and we're going to type in date. Once we do that, we have our filtered options. It's going to say date or reminder. We're going to click on that. Once we click on that, this little area is going to populate. We're going to go to the first option where it says today, March 30th, 2025. And you can see that it says at today. We hover over it, it says the date. We can click on that if we need to change the date. So let's say I need to change it to next week. So we'll have April 5th. So it'll say next Saturday. Do I need a reminder on the day of the event, one day before, 2 days before, a week before, if I want to have an end date? So say I have something starting on Saturday, it won't end until Sunday. Or if I wanted to include a time, I also have that option. You can go in and pick your times. You can change your time zone if you do decide to include a time. And then you also have your date format where you can format the date and the time. So you have a couple different options with that. And then you have either, the hidden, the 24 or the 12 hours. And that is how you add your date in Notion. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful as well. Thanks. Bye.